Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video. This is another basic phonics lesson. Today we're going to be learning about the SH, CH, and then both the voiced and unvoiced TH sounds. Alright, so first let's review the sounds that you learned in the last video. Go ahead and practice these on your own and then listen to check.
O S Z O O O K.
All right, this time you'll write down the sounds in the order that you hear them, and then I'll play it a second time and show the correct answers.
All S O Z O K F O.
All right, we'll listen again and I'll check off the answers.
All S O Z O K F O.
All right, now practice sounding out these words, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
W E O. Well. M I S Miss. F All. Fall. Ol. Roll. F O. Full. S I K. Sick.
All right, now we're going to learn the SH sound. And pay attention to the mouth position and then listen and repeat.
Sh. 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 Sheep. Sh. I. P. Ship. F. I. Sh. Fish.
Right, now try and sound out these words on your own, and then when you're ready, restart the video to check.
Sh. E. D. Shed. Sh. T. Shut. D. I. Sh. Dish. F. O. A. Sh. Flash.
Right, now we're going to try the unvoiced TH. So pay attention to the mouth position, listen and repeat.
F. F. 3, I, n, thin, a, th, math.
Right, now practice these words, and then when you're ready to check, restart the video to listen.
Ick, thick, k, o, off, cloth, off, moth, s, e, Seth.
All right, this time we have the voiced TH, and the difference between voiced and unvoiced. With the voiced, if you put your fingers on your throat, you should feel the vibration. With the unvoiced, you should not feel any vibration in your throat. So listen and repeat.
V, v, v. This, v, I, s, this.
All right, now practice sounding out these words and then restart the video when you're ready to check.
V, a, t, that. V, a, n, van. V, e, n, then. V, e, m, them.
Right, now we'll practice the CH sound. Again, pay attention to the mouth position. Listen and repeat.
Ch, ch, ch. Chicken. Ch, I, p, chip. I, ch, rich.
Right, now try sounding out these words on your own, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
Ch, I, n, chin. Ch, a, t, chat. S, a, ch, such. B, e, n, ch, bench.
All right, now practice sounding out these words and then restart the video to listen and check.
P, a, f, path. I, n, ch, inch. ick, thick, o, n, ch, lunch, sh, ah, shop, sh, o, f, shelf, sh, o, shell, b, n, ch, bench, k, a, sh, crash, f, d, thud, f, r, sh, fresh, s, f, Seth.
All right, this time you'll listen and write down the words you hear. Then I'll play it a second time and fill in the correct answers.
This, chat, path, with, fish, rich, this, chat, path, with, fish, rich.
All right, and here are some additional sight words to review.
There, were, when, was.
All right, now practice reading the sentences and then listen to check.
The path is an inch thick. Their lunch is on the shelf. The shop sells shells. Seth and Chip chit chat on the bench.
All right, now you're going to read a story and try it on your own and then listen.
Beth and Rich were at lunch when there was a crash and a thud. The fish tank fell off the shelf. It was a shock. There were fish and shells with their lunch. This is fresh lunch, Rich said. The fish can still swim.
All right, now practice reading the entire story, and then when you're finished, restart the video to listen.
Beth and Rich were at lunch when there was a crash and a thud. The fish tank fell off the shelf. It was a shock. There were fish and shells with their lunch. This is fresh lunch, Rich said. The fish can still swim.
Right, and that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.